Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction? And today, guys, we're here with Kartel again. Vybz Kartel, Adija Palmer, the teacher himself. With Bail For Me. And the Bail For Me rhythm produced by Not Nice. Enough bad song the pana rhythm. Javin have a song. You feel watch your friends where you smoke with and run joke with. But you there with Kartel, cause you don't know say Kartel result yesterday. We are go after that. So we're there with another one. Let's go. Let's jump to the one and ask. Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go! Pick up every prisoner. Pick up every water. Out the road, me say. Lord, wait. We have to play that part again. Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go! Babylon. Out the road, me say. Dirty Babylon, go down dirty Babylon, dirty Babylon, go down dirty Babylon. Pick up every prisoner, pick up every warder. Out the road, me say. So, he might big up every prisoner and every warder. He not left out nobody. The good one them. Pick up every prisoner, pick up every warder. Out the road, me say. Babylon say jail for me. Beg the judge say bail for me. Babylon said jail for him. Jamaica justice system said jail for him. Privy Council said quash that. Quash that. Privy Council said quash that. Let's go. Pick up every prisoner. Pick up every warder. Out the road me say. Babylon said jail for me. Beg the judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury Jah control me destiny. Babylon say jail for me. Beg the judge say bail for me. Yo, Kartel singing that one, you know. Kartel singing that. Say jail for me. Beg the judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury Jah control me destiny. No I said up, me hold me straight. So I'ma tell you say yo, run a cell block, him hold him straight. He must hold out the stress and everything when I go through, he must hold it as a thing. No, I said up, me hold me straight. Free me again. Next court date. And next year, February, that me depend 2 months remand. Yo, if you think about it, enough jail song Kartel have, you know? Enough jail. Yo, after that one, yeah? Look out for your next one. February that me depend 2 months remand. 30 years me a fear. And the police boy knowing I'm hot at the court time him a waste. Cause I know him have nothing to present the judge appear art and craft. Him have nothing for them have nothing for present the judge with. That be art and craft them use. Remember the digital thing what them do without getting proper approval, following proper procedures. Are you a prophet, you know? It's a prophet. Him have nothing to present the judge appear art and craft. Him a go feel like the biggest when me put it off and laugh. Man said I go feel like the man said them I go feel like the biggest wall when him pop it off and laugh, when him bust off him case and laugh. You know them face. When me put it off and laugh. Babylon say jail for me. Beg the judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury Jah control me destiny. Babylon say jail for me. Beg the judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury Jah control me destiny. You have to big up every prisoner, all of them. You have to big up the warder them. When time me drop a jailhouse, them responsive me till me gone and me hard again. Big up every prisoner, big up every warder. Once again, I have to big up them again. Cause remember say when time him drop a jailhouse, are them responsible for him. Them say yo, you can fly up, you can get on an hour out in a prison yard, stretch to the leg, get some fresh air, forward back in. When time for forward back in, at them are the boss. Time me drop a jailhouse, them responsive me till me gone and me hard again. Prison never make fi dog me friend. Them make it fi suffer and me not pretend. So
Prison never make for dog. Prison, even if you're not a Gaza fan, once you're a music lover, prison never make for dog. Just know that, you see me?
I make for dog, me friend. Them make it for suffer and me not pretend. So me can't say me nah go a jail again.
Yeah.
You say me no want go a jail again.
So I'm tell you say your prison never make for dog, they make it for sufferer. So him now go tell you say, nah go a jail again. Oh no, that's how busy this say. Big up busy. Him a say yo, him not tell you that. Him a tell you say him no want go again. You see me? Cause once the system a fight you, the system a go fight you. You gotta reach back there. If them can put you back there, they will.
Say me nah go a jail again. What you say? Me no want go a jail again. Nah build no school fee we fool them. Be a man back up in a bullpen. Jobless the prisoner we condemn. When the jury sentence fi end, Babylon say jail for me. Bet the judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury, Jah control me destiny. Babylon say jail for me. Bet the judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury, Jah control me destiny. Youth, olive, a tree or you there remand. All it said speed.
We go part of the G them a dep on remand for 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Same way. You see me, don't have a court date yet. I don't think they're hard enough. Don't think they're hard enough. Yo, no joke.
If a tree or you there remand. All it said speed. If your girl call, ask her what she fi do. Say, girl, but no breathe. Flesh.
If your girl call and ask you what she fi do, if she fi move on, boss I say, yo, baby, if you want go and go do that, but guess what, don't breed. Don't breed. You see me, cause remember say you eat salt to moms, you have your nature, so you have to go out there go do your thing. Him not go control no girl and tell her, hey girl, if you ever give her the be kill you. No, you not go tell her that. I say, mama go and go and don't breed. Just use protection. Basically use protection, moms. You see me? Yeah. Cause you don't know I'm the man, but you don't know he's not there at the moment. You don't know when I'm forward home. So go and go do your thing. And that's what the GA tell us right as on our moms.
Bail for me. Somebody tell the jury, Jah control me destiny. Youth, olive, a tree or you there remand. All it said speed. If your girl call, ask her what she fi do. Say, girl, but no breathe. Flesh can't mad me. Me no put my faith in a man. I must Jah.
So I tell us the flesh can't mad him. If she want to do that, that can't mad him. See me, him not put him faith in a man. I must Jah. Jah don't put him faith in that matter right.
Can't mad me. Me no put my faith in a man. I must Jah. And one day, when the water check the mustard, him a go hear say, Babylon say jail for me.
When the water check the mustard, when the water check the records, when the water check the book, him a go see it say, yo, Babylon said jail for him, but the judge said bail for him.
The water check the mustard, him a go hear say, Babylon say jail for me. Bet the judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury, Jah control me destiny. Babylon say jail for me. Bet the judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury, Jah control me destiny.
Yeah, you don't know, say, oh, at the segment that we're in right now from the Privy Council yesterday, we had do some of them reaction. The prison song that my cartel did sing even before him got prison, cause this chat before him got prison. We are go back to them, you see me? So big up on yourself, big up all of the people that mess up to the channel and like the throwback them, bring back enough memories. Also introduce a lot of the younger viewers to some of them songs where them never hear before. I'm pretty sure nearly everybody hear this already still, but yeah, there's other songs that we do where people never know. Say, yo, do you know what? That song the body, isn't it? But yeah, this I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoyed that series, yeah, when I do over here and want to support the channel, if you not drop a sub yet, you can drop a sub, you see me? Yeah, drop a like on the video, make it reach out to other people with recommendations. But yeah, see you guys on the next one, man. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.